Hi everyone, Anne here from Curious Moon Design. Reluctant as I am to admit summer's gone, I have made our autumn journal. And it's made me appreciate the beauty there is during our autumn season. Plus we've been very lucky to have very mild weather. So let's check out this journal. Firstly, the cover. I've created a piece of abstract art for the front using fabrics on a panel, using all the rich colours of the season. On the side I've got some beads and buttons, and then there's a dangle from a thread inside the journal. Also, I've added these beautiful corners. Okay, let's have a look inside. I've got a nice lot of ribbons everywhere. I've used the kit that we've got on Etsy. There's a notebook page that you can make up. I've just added some pages in there. And I've got a nice deep pocket for that. Some tickets there. I've put some frills here, some lace and fabric that matches the cover. Some nice little beads here on pins and some buttons. It's the title page, and then I'll just carry on through. This is a poster that we have on the kit, which added to that page. Some pockets I've made up from some of the designs. This is a page I've added from one of our books, and in the kit there's these lovely cards. Well, I've added it to card. I've added it to a sort of red cardstock just to go with the colours, but they're little ticket cards really. It says join us at the pumpkin patch today. And I've added a tassel onto that pin. Some more tickets, and this is one of the envelopes, and then I've added a recipe card there, some doilies. This is a pumpkin pie recipe, and another card for a barn dance, admit to. That's rather fun. And I've made a little pocket there out of a tag. Another beautiful page. And I've added some tea-dyed paper with the olive stained dye. And there's one of the butterfly cutouts which I've done in an autumn colour. One of the tags. Plenty of journal space in here. This is made up from some old envelopes with a tag in there. And then a flip over here. And a little file for some notes. And in here there's a little file card. I've got a number here that I'm going to add, but I haven't decided whether to put it there or there. This is a pocket I've made up from some pattern. It's a William Morris pattern. I thought it complemented the kit very nicely. And here's a tag. Plenty of journal space on there. More tags and another card. Little poster I printed out. I think those come with the kit, but you can print them out smaller. Some more journaling space, some more recipes, and this is a tag I've made out of the same fabric I used on the front behind the panel. And I just added some music paper and did some stitching around. On some music paper, one of the numbers I put there. Some tracing paper, and made a little pocket there, one of the tags. And there's some more cards here. Apple bobbing, 3 p.m, admit to. It's like a little voucher card. There's a tag there. And then this is one of the little letters that comes in the kit. Some tickets I've made a belly band out of them. Another voucher saying free soft drink refill today. And a little file. And this is one of the files that I made a while back. Just added that there with the mushroom on. Thought it went quite nicely in this journal. There's a half page from one of my botanical books. A nice envelope, and it's got a pumpkin as a closure, and another tag I've made with a die cut in the autumn colours with Hessian backing. This is from one of my books that I use. Thought it went quite nicely in there with the colours. And one of the tags with some Hessian there. Beautiful page there. Some journaling space. A lovely sunflower. And I've used this washi tape. So I thought it went quite nicely with the colours. That's from Helen Colebrook, Journaling with Me. Lots of journaling space in here to write down your thoughts about the season. There's another tag I've made from some die cuts. I'm really enjoying the die cutting, and had this paper which I thought went really well in this autumnal journal. Another pocket I've made out of one of the pages. A beautiful jam tart, I think. On this page I've got a tag with a Hessian back again, and some die cuts on some. I've added tissue paper to this tag, and that fits in quite nicely there. There's a journaling card here. I used not these ones, but the negative of where I cut out some die cuts to go on there. These are some leaves I pressed, and had one of the wooden letters that I've coloured orange. And another leaf. Lovely design page with leaves over, and there's some journaling space. Some more tea-dyed paper. Lots of journaling space there. And another voucher on a tasselled pin. That's a little envelope think I put a little tag in there. More journaling space. These little bunting flags come with the kit, and I just cut some out, put them there. And a tab. Hello Autumn. And some tickets on these journaling pages. Some nice botanical pieces there, some graph paper. Some tracing paper, music paper. And these are some little extras that I've just left on here that can be used. And that's a leaf that I've had for a long time, and I've just coloured the little stem orange. Here's another voucher, and I made a little lace pocket out of die cut using a book page. Another tag. Goes quite nicely with the William Morris on the gingham. And then in here there's a tab you could put some plain paper on there to use. And another voucher, apple picking today. Lots of beautiful pages in here. And the posters are really bright, vibrant, autumnal colours, lovely. Time to gather. That's a nice page to finish on with the flowers. Look pressed, and the harvested fruit made into a jam. And I've just left some papers in here that I've been using just to in a pocket I made. So it's only one signature, but there's a lot in there. So I hope you enjoyed looking through that. If you did, please press the subscribe button and the like button, and come back again when we'll do some more crafting together, sewing and other journal projects. Bye for now.